Hello everyone, I'm going to do another video and more in depth on my batteries, my battery box for all you people out there beginning. This is going to be one of your biggest expenses, your batteries. That's going to be a huge expense. This is the box I got from K-mart, 10 bucks. I liked it because it had the handles and the sides there that actually hold the top on it. So let's get right into it here. And the top, I sealed it. I got this, I don't know if you see. Oh yeah, you can see it. That sealer stuff there with the tape on the one side. I just took the tape off right around the outside, so it sealed the top pretty well. And it has some insulation laying around, so it gets kind of cold in my basement sometimes. So I tried to put some insulation here, so when these charge in the wintertime, they'll create their own heat. Hopefully, hold it in here with this insulation I put inside the box. And it has some little holes in the side there. You can see where I put the RTV or the sealant around my wires. So I plug the holes out so I don't get any of the gases that the batteries create when they charge outside. And I put a hole in this side where the old garden hose I cut up so that the gases can go out, because the gases are lighter than air, so they'll go to the top and they should go out this garden hose that I had that I ran right outside. Ran a hole. It was from a satellite cable that I don't use anymore. I took the cable out and ran that hose through there. So that's vented to the outside. I did cut some holes. You probably can't see them, but over on the side here, there's some holes down the bottom that I put in there just so that there's more flow, so that the gas can get out, it can bring air in. If the gases build up, it can just push the air out the bottom, and then eventually when the gases finally go out the top, the air can go back in. So it's got just its own airflow going on right now. These I got from Napa. I don't know if I can show it to you. 8146s. It's supposed to be about a 220 amp hour battery. They were about $155 each, so that's pretty pricey. And I had to pay the cord charge on top of that because I didn't have a battery to exchange. So some of this wire I bought from Walmart. I got a couple rolls of the black, the red. I think I got a roll of green. Some of the wire I got from my brother using the amps. I made a prior video on that. That's with this main one that goes. That's because I got them in series. So I have they're 6 volts each. 6 volts, 6 volts. Put them in series, 12 volts. So a 12 volt DC system. So I got the same amp hours. 220 amp hours roughly. 220 amp hours. Whole system together, 220 amp hours. So if I get 2 more batteries, put them in parallel, then you get the same 12 volts DC with 440 amp hours. So put them in parallel, that way you would get your more amp hours. And on the side here, I got my little chart for charge. There's the 6 volt, you don't really need that, I'm just using the 12 volt side of it so I know. And I shortened my wires up to my inverter over here, hoping to get a little more out of it, a little less voltage loss through all the line I had on there. That's about it for this battery box, I guess. Hoping to get more batteries, build a better, bigger box, maybe do something different with the venting, but this is just for starting, just to keep costs down, something to start out with. This is for all the people that are beginning or looking into it. This is going to be your major cost. This is the heart of the system, your batteries. So I hope this helps you out. If you want to see something different, maybe want me to go in depth on something, put a comment below and I'll try to get back on and make another video. Alright, hope this helps you out.